Welcome to Learn and Draw. Myself Anup Desai, lecturer, Mechanical Department, BVS Polytechnic. Let's start drawing. In this video, we learn to draw an example on projection of planes. A plane surface may be defined as a two-dimensional object which has length and breadth. For example, triangle, square, pentagon, hexagon, etc. Let's see the question. An equilateral triangle lamina of side 40 mm rests with one of its sides on HP so that the surface of the lamina is inclined at 30 degree to HP. The side on which the lamina rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. Draw the projections of the lamina. First, let's draw an equilateral triangle of sides equal to 40 mm with one of its sides on the HP. So since the triangle has the side of 40 mm, let's draw one side of 40 mm. Next, we'll take the compass and measure here 40 mm, and then with the help of the compass we'll draw arc from both the ends, and at the intersection let's join to complete the triangle. Now let's name this as A, B and C. So this is our first top view. To draw the front view, we have to draw the projection lines from the top view. So let's draw the projection lines from A and BC. So we have, let's mark this as A dash and B dash bracket C dash. Since we know that the triangle is resting on HP, we have to draw the front view on the HP, and we have drawn the sides B and C coincide at the same point, hence we should use bracket for naming C. So let's dark this. So A dash, B dash bracket C dash is our first front view. So to draw the second view, we can see here that the surface of the lamina is inclined to 30 degrees to HP. So we have to incline the lamina at an angle of 30 degree. And also one more point we have to remember is the triangular lamina is resting on one of its sides. So the sides with which it is resting is BC. So here on the XY line, so on this XY line, select any point and draw 30 degree. So I will select this point here. So from here I have taken the set square to draw an angle of 30 degree. So you can also use protractor to draw the 30 degree. So here I used 30 degree, 60 degree set square. So here Let's measure the distance A dash B dash, so which is 3.5 centimeter, which has been seen. So let's measure 3.5 centimeter from the compass. Let's draw an arc. So then darken this point, darken this line. Now name this as A dash, B dash bracket C dash. The angle is 30 degree. Now this is our second top view. So with the help of the top view, let's draw projection lines downwards, and with the help of the first top view, let's draw the projection lines in horizontal direction to draw the second top view. Now let's join the points. So this is C, B and A. So this is our second top view. So next step, let's continue reading the problem. The side on which the lamina rests is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So the side on which it is resting is the side BC. So on the side BC, so we have to draw a line which is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So here, to draw this from the XY line, I am marking some point. So like this. So I am using the 45 degree set square. So I have drawn a line which is inclined at 45 degree to VP. So next is, let's draw this line BC on this inclined line. So let's try to draw this line BC. So I'll mark BC. So I'll mark a point here somewhere and draw this line like this. So next is, let's dark this one. Okay, so now this point here, it is B and this point is C. So next step is, let's complete this triangle. So how can we do this? So let's take the distance of AB here like this, and with B as center, draw an arc. Let's take the distance of AC, right, and with C as center, draw an arc. Now let's join these lines. So this point is ABC. So this is our third top view. And to draw the front view, we have to draw the projection lines upwards from the top view and horizontal line from the second top view. So now let's draw this. I will draw horizontal line. So A will intersect here, B will intersect here, and C will intersect here. So I have marked the 3 points. Let's join the line. So this is our third top view. Now let's mark the dimension and darken all the views. After darkening all the views and marking the dimensions and naming the views, this completes the problem. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos on engineering drawing, subscribe to my channel Learn and Draw by Anup.